Start.
Okay.
Hi. So what is the hello everyone. So Coq is a computer software to read and write mathematics.
안녕하세요. 콕은 수학을 읽고 쓰는 컴퓨터 스포츠
Computer software. Okay. And then maybe you read your native language. What does?
Hallo iedereen. Kok is een computersoftware voor het lezen en wrijven van mathematics.
Okay. 大家好，Coq 是一种对数学的计算机的软件。Okay. So we did Dutch, Korean, and Chinese.
Yes.
So today we want to talk about the top 2 translation languages that you want to translate to. Alright? And then the answer is that if you want to translate anything, okay, you want to translate it to Korean and Chinese. And the idea is that Korean is a very structured language. The grammar is very structured. Is very computer friendly. Okay. And the Chinese is a very popular one. A lot of people speaking Chinese. A big market, like billions of people. So this is for the technical part. The Korean is for kind of the academic part, grammar part, like mathematical part, structural part. And Chinese more for the market part, the size, population. So let me introduce our host. Our host today is Mila. So our host today is Mila. So and then the website for the content from today is this website here. So you just type it here, and then you open this here. So this video is part of a bigger project, okay? And in this project, what we needed to do is like to translate the computer software to Chinese and to Korean. So this is the Chinese translation. So I call this translation Diswanji. So Diswanji. So it means like chicken calculation. So you see this here is loading. So you can actually access this on your phone, and then play with this on your phone. And then you see it's loading Diswanji. And then so you see I'm doing mathematics in Chinese. So let's try to go now. Can you read this? This is the Korean for Sutakswak. Sutakswak.
Oh.
You know what it means, right? It means chicken
calculation.
Chicken calculation. Chicken mathematics. English. So that's the name of the project. It means like rooster mathematics. So this is chicken and this is maths. So we did some translation. Did it load already? Okay, let's click here. So that's right. So here you can play with this right here. It's loading. So you see, so it's defining these things here. Okay, you start the lemma. Okay, can you say this? You know what it means?
Make
Lemma.
it a little bit bigger.
Okay, so read this. Nook. It means
this
lemma.
One?
Yeah, it's lemma.
논증?
You know what it means?
논증.
It means theorem, lemma, right? So we define this lemma, and then we go over. We do all the comments in Korean. So, and this, you know what this means? Like if, so this case, if this, and then else this. So maybe let's take this example, the one that we did last, and actually maybe come to the actual. So you can do this here, but you can also actually. That means you can play on your phone. Little kids. The idea is that little kid, 15-year-old, okay, Chinese students or Korean students, you can teach them in their native language. So this is important. So in 5 to 10 years, maybe we could use this software in the national education system of China or Korea, and then directly teach. Oh, you say, oh, I think that's possible. It's really possible. 5 years, 10 years. What did you do? Your mathematics teacher, did they use Blackboard?
Yeah, Blackboard, of course.
At high school, Blackboard. Yeah, but maybe,
and later on they use the computer screen.
Computer screen.
Yeah, like the big whiteboard that is like electrical.
Yes, but this is different. It's not about using the computer screen or the electrical. It's really about doing mathematics inside the computer. So and the computer verify good or not good. Okay. So let's take this example here. Where am I here? Oops. I'm trying to access some website. I don't seem to. Okay, let me start over. Okay. So this is the name of the project. 32 external. You can actually get quite complicated here. 30 types of and then hop / error. Okay. So this is what we'll be doing. Like I will showcase this here. So yes. So this, can you read this here? It means like print. Can you read this?
인쇄요?
Yeah, it means print, right?
Okay.
So it means print this, and that's what it does. It prints right here. So the comments that you give, okay, you give, and it shows this in Korean. You see, all this has been translated. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it has been translated. So this is to search. So this was printing, and then I can search. This comment means that I'm searching everything which has add in it. So what's this command name for?
검색하다.
So this means search, right? You agree with that? With the translation? Search means this. So I had to change. Okay, and then if you look, if you make an error, it will show the, for example here, the message has been translated. The error message here at the top has been translated. So you translate the comments, but you also translate the information that it gives back. So can you read this here? Too difficult.
명령이 실제로이 메시지와 함께 실패했습니다. Yes.
So it means the comment has indeed failed with this message. So when you make an error, okay, it will give this information. So everything is translated. The comments are translated. So what we did is we translate the comments plus the tactics plus the error messages.
Mhm.
Okay, so you have to translate all this in the project, and the idea is that the idea is that you have to do all this without changing the software. Okay, so if you look at this here, so because this software is used to like verify airplanes, so even if you have Korean programmers on your team, you don't want to change the main software. Okay, you want only to change the language that they use. So if you speak Korean, you can use Korean, but you don't change the main software. So that means it has to be a plugin, a separate plugin. Okay, not the main software. And then here, so this is how you do it. And here it is like here, so start slide, maybe vernacular. So this is actually the software here. You see, it's actually, this is original file. Okay, 1999. Okay, that's
It
long time
literally has
ago.
a chicken in the file.
Exactly. It's the chicken suta. So these are the French people who did this. Okay, what you need to do is like is just to add a line here. For example, here, you see this? I just add one line here. Okay, I don't modify this. So the original is still not modified, and this plugin here will simply add this line. Okay, so so that's the idea. And then there's the Chinese version of this. So I think we went over this. So let's summarize the two languages.
Yeah.
For important is
Korean and Chinese.
Like the one is Korean. Okay. Because it's very, to the computer, Korean is very good because even for the camera recognition of Korean characters, okay, it's very straightforward, very mechanical
Easy
recognition.
to read.
And the grammar, everything has particles. And so if you remember here, the drama we use here kind of so the drama is very good. So and then the second is the Chinese, because it has a bigger market. Okay, and then the idea is that in 5-10 years we could use this directly to teach 15-year-old. That's the goal. So can you say this in Korean here?
중국어.
Okay. So now you have to say goodbye. Try to say this in Korean. For the
근데 it's a bit different.
Oh, it's a little. So the Google Translate is not so accurate. Okay, what about it? Make it easier.
고마워요.
Yes. Okay, that's easier. Okay, so 고마워요.
고마워요.
Okay. Thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. So let's check out right here.